Wishing you all a very, very happy and prosperous Diwali just before Diwali so that your main days of Diwali goes worry free, full of happiness and prosperity. Wishing you all from my and my entire family a very happy Diwali. Now come with me.
मेरे तुम्हारे सबके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली ला 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 हैप्पी दिवाली wishing you all a very very happy Diwali. Hello everyone, my name is Madhumita and today I have come with the Diwali video. So, the main day of Diwali began with the ultimate task, that is the decoration of the entire home. So tough because what happens is Diwali in our country we just get a single day holiday, because as our company is US based, they just recognize just one day. So as it is, we don't get a lot of time. So in that one day had to set up every single thing. So these flowers and small diya lamps that you can see, that I had gotten one day before, flowers, fresh flowers gotten in the morning, and I tried to set up everything. So yeah, trying to show you. So this is the balcony setup. So the lights are also put up very beautifully. And right now, not everything is ready. We were just testing how things are looking. But yeah, more or less, this is the setup of the lights. Hope you all are liking it. And this is just the daytime view. You should definitely wait for the night view. And can you see the wall hangings, flowers? This was my dream. I am genuinely saying this. I always wanted this wall hanging flowers when I was around 15 years old, 12 years old, because this is something I really, really like. And as you enter in the central part, this is a rangoli kind of a thing. And over here, the mirrors are there. There also, I have kept some diyas, and this is the dining table. Hope you all are liking the entire setup. And this is a room. This is my empty studio room where I record my dance videos, my poetry videos, and this is the bedroom. So just was trying to show you how the balcony looks from the bedroom. But before that, just see the view. And this is the balcony with the lights. Hope you liked the decoration that I have done. I have attempted to make it very aesthetic. I'm not really, really good with decorations, but I always try how much ever it's possible from my end. Yes, so again, showing you all the entire home in just one jiffy. As you all look at my decoration, let me enlighten you all with the importance of Diwali. What exactly Diwali means and why we celebrate that. Diwali is not just about lighting diyas or bursting cracker. It's about celebrating the victory of light over darkness and good over evil. In most parts of India, it marks Lord Rama's return to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile and his victory over Ravana. People welcomed him by lighting up the whole city with diyas, and that's where the tradition began. For me, Diwali is all about those cozy family moments, cleaning the house, decorating the house, making amazing neem sharing gifts, and just feeling that warm, festive energy everywhere. I mean, who doesn't love the glow of diyas and the smell of fresh laddus in the air, right? So, yeah, that makes Diwali so special. And beyond these celebrations, Diwali reminds us to bring light into our lives, to let go of negativity, forgive, and start afresh. It's a time to spread happiness, kindness, and gratitude. So, yeah, this is what Diwali makes so special. It's more than just a festival, it's a feeling. And this is how we try to celebrate. And slowly, we have transcended into this amazing Diwali celebrations.
Hello everyone. Hi. Good evening. शुभ दीपावली. शुभ दीपावली आप सभी लोगों को और आपके परिवारों को. Wishing you all a very happy Diwali, happy Deepavali, and yeah, this is the most favorite occasion of mine. Diwali is my most favorite festival, and I cannot wait to show you the decor that I have done. And it's amazing. And we have kept all the lights off, and I'm going to show you. Hello everyone, hi, wishing you all a very happy Diwali. Cannot even wait to show you our Diwali decoration. This time it's looking so good. Okay, let me start. This is a decoration of diyas in front of the mirror. Then this is a decoration with real diyas. Okay, these are real diyas with actual teal oil and bati. And this is a decoration on the dining table. Okay, and just see this decoration, floor diyas, and the wall decoration, and my most favorite, the table decoration. And out you can see the balcony. Oh my god, the entire house is looking so beautiful. Let me show you in detail. It's a gift from my office, an office hamper. Rangoli with diyas. Wall decor with the
As I was informing you all earlier, can you all see the beauty of the home decor in the night? I have not switched on any lights inside our home, and whatever things that we are able to see, it is only with the help of the diyas light. Oh God, looked so beautiful. And this is our balcony view with the lights that we had bought for Diwali. Looks so amazing, and I was just seeing how other buildings Diwali lights were looking, and yeah, this is how our lights were looking. Woohoo, let's enter this amazing beautiful home.
Happy Diwali, everyone!
Decorating our home during Diwali isn't just about making things look beautiful. It's a way of welcoming positivity and good vibes. According to tradition, Diwali marks the arrival of Goddess Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth and prosperity. People believe that a clean and well lit home invites her blessings. So, We decorate with diyas, candles, and lights to create a warm atmosphere, inviting atmosphere, which is filled with light and energy. Woohoo! Entering again.
Hello everyone, wishing you a very happy and prosperous Diwali.
Diwali is also a time when everyone comes together to get creative. From colorful rangolis at the doorstep to hanging torans to fairy lights, every corner of the house gets a festive touch. These decorations aren't just pretty, they symbolize the victory of light over darkness and reminds us to fill our life with brightness. Here I am, Madhumita, welcoming all my viewers, all my family to come and celebrate this small Choti Diwali with me. And here I am showing you all our house so that even you all can have a little bit of this. The process of decorating the house brings everyone closer, adding the joy of the celebration. Beyond tradition, decorating the home for Diwali also lifts our mood and sets the perfect festive tone. A glowing home instantly feels more cheerful, welcoming, and full of life, just like the festival itself. It's that magical transformation that makes Diwali so special, turning ordinary spaces into symbol of happiness, harmony and new beginnings. And I am showing every single corner of our house. This is the dining table and I am taking you all to the amazing dance studio where I record all my dance choreographies.
ये सुबह ना हो जाए।
Happy Diwali! Happy Diwali! Happy Diwali! Happy Diwali!
Happy Diwali.
Wishing everyone a very, very happy Diwali. Guys just came down for birthday crackers.
दे दे आम्ही झालंय Recording.
Recording on, recording on. Woo! Go, 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 go. Yeah. Yeah. Yo! Woo! We were unaware that this year in our society itself, Kali Pujo was going to happen. So glad that we were able to take Goddess Kali Ma's darshan and able to attend this pujo. And a fact about Kali Pujo is it always happens during late night or midnight. Keep watching to see some firecrackers almost reaching our balcony. So we live on a high rise floor, and because of that we were able to see beautiful view from our balcony of the firecrackers. Hello everyone, good morning. So today I am going to take you all with me for a Diwali party in my office. So come with me. Everyone, I've reached my office.
mandatory fit check. So this is the time where I just reached office with, and even before entering my cabin, I just thought to run to the mirror and just have a quick fit check. So yeah, loved the outfit. This is a perfect Diwali anarkali outfit with amazing dupatta. The contrast actually gives the glow and makes the outfit what it is. Hope you all loved it. Quick fit check. Hi, I have reached office. I was trying to record, but since the voice will echo, I didn't keep the audio. And again, showing you all a fit check in a proper landscape format. What makes an office a bit different is the decorations. So usually we always come to office and it's always work, but good to see that they had taken a little bit of efforts in decorating. As you saw, it was a team call while recording. Once again, I got a team call. So at least now, please appreciate my efforts in making the videos, because even during my office work, I am trying to make the videos so that it comes on time. So yeah, really hoping that you all loved my outfit, my Diwali outfit look in my office. I know I always out of nowhere.
Turn.
My colleagues were helping me to just have a fit check inside my cabin, and as you can see, they got us some samosas, jalebis, mandates of every Diwali office party, and just showing you around my office decoration and the rangoli, very pretty rangoli. And that is it, guys. I have left my office and I'm going home. Bye bye. This is me leaving the office premise. I always loved this part, the waterfall and this architecture. These are some pictures that I'm going to share. This is my tradition. This. I am going to share all the photographs that I have taken during this day. So, this was our Diwali, a very small, sweet, memorable Diwali celebrations at office and at home. Really hoping that you all loved it, liked it. And so the Diwali celebrations at office were too much fun. Out of 12 hours of work, we had fun for around 1 hour. 1 hour included our office break, included our samosa parties and all. And the best thing was me dressing up and going to the office. And these are my colleagues, and just priceless. It's very rare that we take pictures with our office colleagues, because obviously everyone is so busy. And then for the Diwali holiday, we went shopping for diyas and new flowers. That smell of new flowers always help us. And yeah, so what I was trying to tell you is that I really hope that you all loved the decoration and everything. This really helps. And secondly, yeah, sharing all the pictures that I clicked during the Diwali day. No vlog, no video is ever complete without me posting the pictures, because at the end, pictures do last. So I always have a theory. Once I when I will look back at this day, I will really be happy to see that this year I celebrated Diwali in this and this manner, and it will always be there in my heart. So yeah, that's all. Bye guys.